primetime news this evening, excessive use of force, police high command now involved in viral video incident featuring St. Mary Boy. Mountain View mayhem, security forces and armed men engaged in deadly daylight gun battle. And crisis in sections of the coffee sector, the stories of struggling farmers in a TVJ News In Focus report.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com, and a special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. I just want to scream it's Monday, but I won't. With a preview of what's to come in business news, here's Andrea Chisholm.
Well, Janella, it is indeed Monday, and today we're focusing on a leading real estate investment company which is planning to expand further in the region. Details later in the business day.
Thank you, Andrea. And Jordan Ford, what's coming up in sports?
Well, Archie, the Jamaica Scorpions recently had a failed Super 50 Cup title defense. It was a miserable campaign for the team, no wins for them there. But one player is speaking out about the selection policy and other issues. I'll tell you more in a Primetime Sports exclusive later on.
I like that word, exclusive.
Yeah, you'll only hear it here. Like what Romaine is about to say with the weather, I bet you there's nothing, just clear skies.
There better be something new. Romaine?
There is something new. We do have an increase in clouds across the island coming over the next 24 to 48 hours, so we could be seeing some shower activity, especially across the east, across some inland areas as well. We could see some thunderstorms. I'll have more in the weather report and forecast.
Loving the Monday energy.
Yeah, I know, right? There's also sports commentary and E-Prime in this newscast, but before the break, the feedback question.
And this evening, we are asking, what's your reaction to the government's plan to increase the duty-free allowances from $50 to $100 and $500 to $1,000 US?
You can share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and post on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.